plan it, plan your cases, follow the rules that are in the literature that we explained in the lecture. There are rules that guide us into the most beautiful situation. My name is Margarida Henrique. I am from Portugal, living in Spain, and my fields in dentistry are surgery and aesthetics. So my lecture was also about how to achieve a very good result in an aesthetic treatment. The topic of my lecture was in aesthetic planning, how to achieve a very good result when we are dealing with aesthetic cases, patients that are very demanding in an aesthetic way. What are the guides that we have to follow in order to be able to succeed? It's important, the aesthetic planning, it's very important for you to know where you want to go, which means what is the final situation that you want to give to your patient. If you have this in mind, you'll always succeed. The take-home message is always plan it, plan your cases, follow the rules that are in the literature that we explained in the lecture. There are rules that guide us into the most beautiful situation. So that's the message, follow the rules. I went around, there is amazing expo, a lot, I think that all the companies are here. Perfect expo, perfect to do social networking. So very nice, very good organization. I think the dental world has reunited a very, very special scientific program, a very, very high level scientific program. And I obviously will recommend everyone to come here and to enjoy all the amazing lectures and amazing social networking that is being held here. I'm here in Dental World 2024. It has been a very, very amazing event. High quality lectures, amazing scientific program, and an exposition that allow us to make social networking. So I always will recommend you to come visit us in 2025 in Budapest. We wait for you here.